Hello, this is Joyce, guys, and I am back, and guess what? Shanta and I have decided to bring back Saturday Morning Challenge of Friends. After we decided we were going to stop, and we realized that we really liked doing it, and that it helped to keep us, oh, how can I say it? Coming up with new ideas and having that post every month, you know, thinking of new things that we could challenge each other with. So we've decided that for now we are going to come back at it and give it another shot. We're gonna do some more Saturday Morning Challenge with Friends. I'm excited because I really did miss those Saturday projects. I missed the challenges. So stay tuned. Tell everybody you know. Share this video. This will be our first one. And this week's challenge is to take a 12 by 12 sheet of paper and make an album. There are, I mean, you can decorate it or whatever, but the album pages have to be made from one 12 by 12 piece of paper. And like I say, you can add flips, you can do anything, but the base of it is a 12 by 12 sheet. So let me tell you what I used in this project. I used this set of tags from Eileen Crafts. I bought it. I love it. The little places where it shows stitches, those little buggers are kind of sharp, and they literally cut into the paper, but they cut well. I pulled out Heartfelt Creations. I love my Blazing Poppies. I did the stamp, the die, and I also used my Floral Basics mold. Love that. I didn't use that. That's another project, so we'll move it. These are two of the flowers that were left from my flower making. I love these things. I stamped on paper from the collections that I used. I used stickles to sparkle it up. I used these seed beads for my centers. I really love making these flowers. As you can see, that's what's on the back of that one. And this one is, I used two different paper pads. Oh yeah, one thing more. The challenge was we had to use K&Company paper. Yes, I didn't get rid of all of mine, fortunately. So I used this pad, which is Geo Floral. And I liked it. I kept it because it had lots of sparkle and glitter and foiling. So I used several sheets from there. And then I used this pad, which is another one. And this one is Ancestry.com. And I just like the vintage feel for K&Company. And I guess they call it Ancestry because they have pages on there where you can do your family tree. So I used that. And I used these enamel dots that I got from Freckled Fawn. I used that. I used this is Martha Stewart Punch, which is one of the few that I kept. I kept this and the border one that goes with it. I kept a few of them, so I used that punch. I used this punch, which is just, I think it's a 1-inch circle. Yeah, it's 1 inch. I used this corner rounder, which I hadn't pulled it out in a long time. I used a 3/8 inch size. That goes over there. I used, nope, didn't use that. Okay, I'm sorry. Everything is kind of, I used these enamel dots. These are from Michaels. And I think that is it, if anything else comes up. So the album that I made was actually, first time I saw it made was back when I was just blogging before I started using doing YouTube. I have a blog that was Love That Paper, which is where the name came from for the blog for my YouTube channel. And the person, her name is Elsa, and her blog is Just a Few Designs. She also has a YouTube channel, which I will link in the box below. So this was way back in like 2010, the first time I ever made this album. And I did make, oh God, tons of them, because they are the perfect little brag books. Or you can punch holes with your cinch or your whatever binder you have, or you can just use rings. So the first one I made was using that ancestry paper, and this is it. I hate it when my light goes down and I can't see. So this is it. So first of all, I want to show you what the base was actually. So this part, and then it opens like that. So the base is here, and here you have a pocket made, and then there is another pocket here, so you can take that out and you can put it there. This is from that tag set that I used. Most of the tags I made with this. There are a few that I didn't. So then you can put pictures here, you can put pictures across here, you can put pictures on your tags, you can add more tags if you like. So then that comes down, and then from another sheet of paper, here's some more tags here. That's a pocket. And then this, I use magnets so that they didn't flop around, but this is an add-on. So there you can add more pictures. So here's a tag. That same tag. I love these. So what I did was, since K & Company paper is kind of not so thick, so I cut 2 for each tag and glued them together, and it just made my tag a little sturdier. I used the enamel dots as my pull. So that one. And then you can see where I have my flowers that I made. So then we are going to go here. Here is another pocket, and that's in the base. So as you can see, that paper matches. So let's put that there. And then when you flip it over, you have another pocket with a tag. You have another tag here. You have, this is magnetized, and then you can put more pictures here. Sorry about that. So that is my little album. If you wanted to punch it, this is your binding. And like I said, I am going to put her link so that you can, she'll show you how to make it. I love this thing. And I mean, that's a lot of pictures. So I did 2. Because these will make perfect brag books. This will be a cute little gift for somebody, and they can actually, say you have an event, you could make albums for, say, 5 or 6 friends. You could make albums, and then if you got a printer or the instant cameras, you can do the photos right there and fill the albums up. So I did that one. And then I did this one. This came from the second pad of paper with the foil and all that stuff on it. Love this. Pink seems to be my color here lately. So it is the exact same album, but there are tags, smaller versions of the ones I have in the bigger pockets. Another one of my flowers. Here's another tag. Lots of picture, real estate for pictures. Flip it open. Here's a bigger tag. You can put a picture on both sides. More pictures here. And then when you flip it over, more tags. You can do journaling on these tags here. The smaller of the flowers. Like I said, I have magnets in there because I did not want them pages flipping. More real estate for pictures, and here is another tag. So yeah, and then when you open it up, there is that tag there. Oh yeah, and there should be a tag on this side too. See, that's in the base. So there should be a tag there. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really love these things. I cut paper for 4, and I thought you're carrying it a bit too far, but I think I'm gonna make some more because, like I said, these are perfect for little get-togethers, for family get-togethers, and everybody can take pictures home with them because I love using my HP Sprocket or my Instax camera. And then I got the new Instax. So many ways that you can do pictures and everybody can take pictures with them. So I am so glad that you stopped by. Don't forget to go by and show Shanta some love. And if you love this video or you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go by and check out Elsa. She's her YouTube channel, like I said, will be in the box below with a link to the instructions, the tutorial for this particular album. And she has several others that she puts together, and that I just love it. She's got one that she does from an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So yeah, go by and check her out. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. As I said, check out Shanta, and we will be back with another Saturday morning challenge of friends. Bye guys.